CPU giving you shock, like when you touch it, it will give you shock. Then do a simple trick. Connect it with alligator cable, alligator clip, like this. Cover it like that, and it will be made. Now check CPU for earthing. You can see the earthing. Every part is earthing or very badly. Now put the cable if you need anywhere in computer part. CPU, it's connected. Now check again. No current. Check here again. Solved.